video of my future travels and adventures. Karen Tatiana Ospina León. I am Karen Ospina from the Social Communication program. Where will you live in 10 years? In 10 years, I will be living in a beautiful Ulysses city where I will be able to enjoy the oceans every day. What jobs you have? I make have a jobs and a travel in the photographer. This will allow me to explore different destinations. What will relationships be in the future? Relationships will be more digital but still meaning to. This will allow me to stay connected through technology. What place will you visit? I will visit many countries in the Europe and Asia and cloud exploring new cultures and three different food. What will you be able to do that you can you know? I will be able to heal my family, active and better quality of life. Thank you so much.